Today we have four question and in a question number first, in a two-digit number, the unit digit is twice the 10th digit, and let we consider the required number is 10y plus x, and this is our required number, and in the given number y is a 10th digit, y is 10th digit, and x is unit digit. So, according to the question, in a two-digit number, we have any two-digit number. The unit digit is x. Unit digit is twice the 10th digit. Unit digit is twice the 10th digit, and we have a 10th digit y. Another way, if 27 is added to the number and we have a number 10y plus x, if 27 is added to the number, if we add 27 in the given number, the digit interchange their places. If we interchange, digit becomes 10x plus y. When we sort out this equation, then we get a 27 9y equal to 9x, that is 3y x, and we have a x is equal to 2y from equation first. X minus y is equal to 3. Then second, we can put the value of x in the equation second, then value becomes 2y minus y is equal to 3, y is equal to 3, and x becomes 6. X becomes 6 when we put the value of y in an equation first. So required number becomes 10 into 3 plus 6, that is 36. And another question, the sum of a two-digit number. Let me consider we have a two-digit number 10y plus x, that is also our required number. So the sum of a two-digit number and the number formed by interchanging a digit is 110. So suppose we have a two-digit number 10y plus x, and their sum with the interchanging digit 10x plus y becomes 110. That is the question. The sum of a two-digit number and the number, sum of a two-digit number and the number formed by interchanging a digit is 110. When we solve this, we get 11x plus 11y is equal to 110, and we sort out this term, all the term with the equation, then we get x plus y is equal to 10, and this is our first equation. In another way, if 10 is subtracted from the first number, and what is the first number, that is our required number. If 10 is subtracted from the first number and the number is more than 5 times the sum of the digits in the first number, and the first number is what? If 10y plus x minus 10, if we subtracted 10 in the first number, we get 4 more than 5 times the sum of the digit in the first number. So when we sort out this with a equation manner, then we get the one as a equation 10y 10y plus x minus 10 is equal to 4 plus 5x plus 5y. Then we get 5y. So let's solve here. 5y plus x minus 10 is equal to 4 plus 5x. 5y minus 10 is equal to 4 plus 4x. Equation becomes 5y minus 4x plus 14. And this is our equation second. When we compare equation first and second, we get the value of x and y. And when we put the value of x and y here, we get a required number. We already get the equation first and second. By comparing equation first and second, we get the value of x and y. And after this, we easily get the value of x and y. So basically, we get a equation, two equation. Basically, we get a two equations to sort out the value of x and y, and that is 5x minus 4, sorry, 5y minus 4x is equal to 40, and that is our second equation. When we compare both the equation, we get the value of x and y. In another question, from here we get x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. A two-digit number is obtained by either multiplying sum of digits by 8 and adding 1, or by multiplying the difference of the digits by 13 and adding 2. Find the number. Let we have a required number 10y plus x. That is our required number. We can also take 10x plus y. That doesn't matter about whatever we consider, just a way of proceeding the next step. A two-digit number is obtained by either multiplying sum of the digit by 8 and adding 1. A two-digit number. We have a two-digit number 10y plus x, and that is obtained by either multiplying sum of the digit by 8, sum of the digit is x plus y, and multiplying by 8 and adding 1. In another way, by multiplying the difference, again we have a number, required number, and by multiplying the difference of the digits, we are by 13, difference of the digit x minus y, 13, and adding them 2. That is, find the number. And here we have a one thing. Here we are going to add two digit, tens digit and unit digit. Here we are going to subtract tens digit and unit digit. So basically, matter coming to mind. Suppose we have a number like 21. When we break with tens and unit digit, we get 2 as a tens digit and 1 as a unit digit. So it is impossible to subtract from unit digit to tens digit. Otherwise, we usually subtract from unit digit to tens digit in a many more. So we have to keep in the mind how we subtract the digit without any information. So here there is no such information to subtract from whose and when. So continue the question. So we get when we solve this equation, we get 10y plus x is equal to 8x plus 8y plus 1. When we solve this 2y plus 7x plus 1, we get 2y minus 7x is equal to 1. Is the equation first, and here 10y plus x is equal to 13x minus 13y plus 2. We get 13x plus 23. So when we subtract from a digit x minus y, we can't get any direct equation. So we need to subtract from y minus x. That that is our tens digit minus unit digit. So here y minus x, not x minus y. So we get an equation first and second 2y minus 7x equal to 1. And the equation first. And another equation 14 x minus 3y is equal to 2. And we compare both the equations, we get the value of x and y, and we put here as a required number in the as a value x and y, we get the required number. Now we have another question. 7 times a two-digit number is equal to 4 times the number obtained by reversing the digit. If the difference between the digit is 3, find the number. 7 times a two-digit number. Let we consider a two-digit number 10y plus x. That is our required number. Now 7 times a two-digit number. Our two-digit number 10y plus x 7 times and equal to 4 times the number obtained by reversing the digit 10x plus y. So we get an equation in another way. If the difference between the digit is 3, again there is a question of how to difference a tens digit from unit digit, otherwise a unit digit from tens digit. So because there is no such information in question how to difference from tens digit to unit digit, otherwise from unit digit to tens digit. If the difference between the digit is 3, if we have a tens digit is y and unit digit is x, so if we difference, if the difference between the digits is 3, x minus y, if we consider firstly x minus y equal to 3 from unit digit to tens digit, we get an equation. Second and first equation 70y plus 7x is equal to 40x plus 4y. 66y 66y is equal to 33x. We get x is equal to 2y. X is equal to 2y. We get as equation first. When we put the value of x in an equation second, we definitely get a y equal to 3. And x becomes 6. So required number becomes 36. And we know, now we know a number that is 10 into 3 plus 6 and unit digit is our 6 and 10 is our 3. That is greater than 3 is less than 6 and 6 is greater than 3. Our unit digit is greater than 10 digit. So we need to subtract from a unit digit to 10 digit.